Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a super exciting unboxing of a Loungefly, so let's go right on down to it. Here it is. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, it's so musical. Oh, wow. So this is carrying on my wedding obsession. This is the wedding Loungefly, and it has apparently a bow that you can take off, and it's the extra bow is here. There's an extra bow for like when it's your honeymoon or your actual wedding day, with the two little rings there and a beautiful little veil, so you can put that on. Wonder how it clips on. Have a look. Oh, I think it's just a big popper. Yeah. So let's have a look at this lining. Absolutely gorgeous. Take off this bit. Gently. Good. Oh, look at this sparkle! Let's have a look at the lining. Oh, the lining's beautiful. Oh, can't wait to show you guys. Let's get the paper out of here. And then there's a paper into. Right, so here's the lining, little Mickey Mouse heads with little hearts in there. Absolutely gorgeous. There's a little pouch at the back. And if you can see, you want to put your keys in there or whatever, or your phone. And there we go. And the straps are just white at the back. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it twinkle. Oh, and there's the Loungefly logo on there. I think this is probably going to be my last one for a long while, if not I'm not going to say ever, but I might get a few little wallets or ears maybe, but yeah, I think as bags go, yeah, I think for now, because I haven't got enough space on my wall, so I have to have a think about where else I could put them maybe if I'm going to collect in the future, but just for now, I think this one's going to be it for a bit. So yeah, just wanted to show you my completed Loungefly wall, so it's going to be a little bit But there will be more content coming up soon. Okay, bye.